In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to play Don't Starve multiplayer on mobile. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. As you can see, I'm over at the Don't Starve Pocket Edition game page at the Play Store, and as you can see, I can buy the game and install it on my device if I want. Looking through the pictures, none of them indicate multiplayer functionalities in the game, and they only show single-player screenshots of someone playing the game. If we scroll down and we head into the categories, as you can see, it's paid adventure game, action adventure, survival, and finally, it mentions that it's an offline game. What this means is that sadly, as of today, this current version of Don't Starve on mobile, Don't Starve Pocket Edition, the official one from Klei, does not include online or multiplayer functionalities, and sadly, as of today, unless they make a new update that adds multiplayer to the game, it is impossible to play Don't Starve multiplayer on mobile. This will only change, like I said, if they introduce a new multiplayer update. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's impossible to play the official version of Don't Starve on mobile in multiplayer. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.